Welcome back to AI Moneymakers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're going to be diving into how AI can give your print-on-demand business that extra oomph.
Yeah, when people think of print on demand, they think of just putting a design on a t-shirt.
Right, just slapping it on there.
Exactly. But it's way more than that.
It really is.
It's a low-risk, high-reward opportunity to really tap into a global market.
Yeah. And what's so exciting is how much AI can help in every single step,
Yeah.
from finding your niche to optimizing designs to even predicting what's going to be hot next.
For sure. It's like having a secret weapon in this super competitive world of e-commerce.
Absolutely. Like, imagine being able to analyze just tons and tons and tons of data to know exactly what customers want
Before they even know they want it.
before they even know they want it.
That's the power of AI.
That's the kind of edge you get.
Yeah.
So let's break down this AI-powered print-on-demand journey.
Okay, let's do it.
So first, you got to find your niche.
Yeah.
And it's not just about what product you're going to sell. It's about understanding who you're selling it to at like a way deeper level.
It's like being a detective. You're trying to put all the clues together to find these hidden desires in these untapped markets.
That's such a great way to put it. Like, who are these people?
Yeah.
What are they obsessed with? What are they into? What do they want? But they don't even know they want it yet.
Right.
And AI can help us figure that out.
Absolutely. It can sift through all that data to find those golden nuggets.
Yeah, like, for example, t-shirts.
Oh, yeah.
Like, we all know they're a staple.
For sure.
But AI can help you analyze, like, trending designs,
Right.
color palettes, the language used in the descriptions.
The language.
Yeah, to really understand, like, okay, maybe vintage is coming back.
Uh-huh.
Or maybe everybody wants crazy abstract designs.
Right.
AI can tell us that.
It can.
It's not just about following trends. It's about being ahead of the curve,
Predicting them.
predicting them. Yeah.
That's where AI can really come in handy.
So let's say we've used AI to zero in on the perfect niche.
Okay.
What's next?
You got to find the right print-on-demand partner.
Oh, that's so important.
Yeah, because they're going to be the ones actually handling the production of your product,
Yeah.
fulfilling the orders,
Yeah.
getting it to the customer.
You need somebody you can trust.
Absolutely.
Someone reliable.
High quality.
High quality ever.
On time.
Yep. On time, every time.
So how do you even choose? Because there's so many out there.
Right. There are a ton of options and they all have their strengths and weaknesses.
So what are like the key things to look for?
I would say product quality first and foremost.
Yeah,
Different companies use different printing techniques.
that's right.
You want to think about shipping times.
Right.
And then, of course, pricing is always a factor.
Right.
And you want to make sure that they can integrate with whatever e-commerce platform you're using.
Yeah, so that everything is nice and seamless.
Exactly.
One that I've seen a lot is Printful.
Yeah,
They seem to have a pretty big catalog of stuff.
they do.
And they have some really cool features, like they automatically forward the orders. Yeah, that's really convenient.
So you don't have to deal with it.
There's shipping times are super fast.
That's awesome because nobody wants to wait forever
No, they don't.
for their stuff.
Right.
But, do your research.
Yeah, you got to compare.
Make sure it's the right fit.
Absolutely.
Okay, so now here comes the really fun part.
Okay.
Designing the products.
Mm-hmm.
This is where your creativity can really shine.
Yeah.
And AI can help you with this too.
It can be your sidekick.
Yeah.
There are so many AI-powered tools out there
It's incredible.
that can help you even if you have no design experience.
Yeah, like I've been playing around with them and it's so cool.
Oh, yeah.
Like you can generate unique designs in just a few clicks.
Just like that.
Or you can tweak existing designs
Yeah.
so that they're perfect for your brand.
Make it your own.
Exactly. Like they have these pre-made templates, graphics you can customize.
Yeah.
You can even generate stuff based on like keywords or concepts.
It's incredible how far it's come.
It's mind-blowing. It really is.
And they're just getting better
All the time.
all the time.
It's like having a personal design assistant
Yeah.
right there in your computer.
Okay, so we've got our niche.
Okay.
We found our print-on-demand partner.
Yep.
And we've made some really cool designs.
Nice.
Now we got to build a store.
Right. We got to get those products out.
We got to get those products out there. So how do we do that?
So this is where you decide how you want to showcase those products to the world.
Okay.
Do you want to build your own website
Okay.
where you have total control over everything,
Yeah.
how it looks, how it feels?
I like that control.
Or do you want to go with one of the big marketplaces?
Oh, like Etsy or Amazon.
Exactly.
Okay.
Where they already have those millions of shoppers.
Built-in audience.
Built-in audience.
So they both have pros and cons, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Like with your own website, you can make it super unique,
Yeah, totally branded.
but you got to get people to go there.
Right. You're responsible for all the traffic.
Yeah.
And with the marketplaces, You have that visibility,
Instant visibility.
instant visibility.
Yeah.
But then you're competing with everybody else.
Yeah, it's a lot more competition.
And you got to play by their rules.
And their rules.
Their rules, yeah.
Exactly.
But AI can play a role in this too,
Oh,
right?
absolutely. No matter which route you choose,
Okay.
AI can help you optimize your store.
Oh, how so?
Well, you can use it for personalized product recommendations.
Okay, cool.
You can use it for chatbots
Well, that's a good idea.
to handle those customer inquiries.
Yeah, like all those frequently asked questions.
Yeah, just make the whole experience better.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, and hopefully boost those conversions, get people to buy.
Get people to buy. Exactly.
Yeah.
So we'll pick this back up next time.
Okay, sounds good.
Because now we got to figure out how to get people to actually buy this stuff.
Right. How do we market it?
Exactly.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
See you then. Welcome back to AI Moneymakers. Let's jump back into this world of print on demand and AI.
All right, so we've got our storefront. We're ready to launch. How do we actually promote this thing in a way that doesn't feel
Pushy.
pushy?
Yeah. You don't want to be salesy.
No, nobody likes that.
You want to build genuine relationships with your customers.
Okay, I like that idea.
Yeah, you almost want to create a community
Uh-huh.
around your brand.
Okay, so how does AI help us do that?
Well, there are all these social media tools that can help us understand
Right.
what kind of content people are actually responding to.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah, like do they behind the scenes peeks at how you design stuff?
Yeah.
Do they love seeing other people using your products?
Huh?
Maybe they like those interactive polls and quizzes?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, you can tailor it all.
So AI can help us figure out what's going to work best.
Yeah, and it goes beyond just what you post.
Okay.
It can tell you the best time to post,
Oh, that's super helpful.
what hashtags to use, what kind of tone of voice to use.
Wow. So it's like taking all the guesswork out of social media
Exactly.
and actually giving people what they want.
That's a win-win.
I like it.
All right, so speaking of using data,
Yeah.
what about targeted advertising?
Oh, yeah. That's a bit of a...
It can be controversial.
It can be controversial.
Yeah, but when it's done right,
Okay.
it can be super powerful.
How so?
Well, you can show your ads to the people who are already interested in things
Yeah.
that are similar.
To what you're selling
Yeah, or who fit the profile.
of your ideal customer.
Exactly. So you're not wasting your money.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Showing it to people who don't care.
Right. But how do we make sure we're not being creepy about it?
Yeah, you don't want to be creepy.
Like those ads that are way too personalized.
Right. You just have to be transparent about it.
Okay.
Just let people know how you're using their data
Uh-huh.
and give them the option to opt out.
That makes sense.
So you're respecting their privacy, but you're also giving them a more customized experience.
Okay, cool. So what about influencer marketing?
Oh, influencer marketing.
It's everywhere these days.
Right. Everyone's talking about it.
So how can AI help us with that?
Well, it can help you find the right influencers to partner with.
Oh,
You can analyze thousands of profiles,
wow.
look at their audience, how engaged they are, even
Yeah.
like the sentiment of their comments.
Really?
Yeah. Is it positive? Is it negative?
Oh, wow. So
Yeah.
you can really find a good match.
Yeah, a perfect match.
A perfect match.
For your brand.
So it's not just throwing darts in the dark.
No more guesswork.
No more guesswork.
You're making those data-driven decisions.
Data-driven decisions. I
Okay.
like that.
Yeah.
Okay. And of course, we can't forget about email.
Email. Yeah.
It's kind of old school, but it still works.
Absolutely. Email is a great way to build a loyal following,
Uh-huh.
keep people coming back for more.
Okay, so how does AI help us with that?
Well, you can use it for personalized subject lines.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, make them catchy so people open them.
Uh-huh.
You can use AI to recommend content.
Oh, yeah.
It's tailored to what they're actually interested in.
Cool. So it's not just like a generic blast.
No more generic blasts.
No more generic blasts.
And you can even schedule those emails
Oh.
to go out at the optimal time.
Okay, so that more people are likely to actually open them.
Exactly.
So it's like having a little robot email assistant
It's amazing.
that knows exactly what to say and when to say it.
Yeah, and the best part is you can track all of it.
Oh, so we can see what's working and what's not.
Exactly. You can see who's opening, who's clicking, who's buying.
That's awesome.
It's invaluable.
So we've talked about social media, advertising, influencer, marketing email.
Yeah.
What else is there?
Well, one of the most important things is just to keep optimizing.
Yeah.
It's not a set it and forget it kind of thing.
So we can't just launch it and then walk away.
Right. You have to look at the data,
Mm-hmm.
look for patterns, make adjustments as you go. Okay, but how do we even know what to look for? There's so much data.
Well, that's where AI comes in again.
AI to the rescue.
Those analytics tools can sift through all that information
Oh, yeah.
and tell you what's important.
So what kind of stuff can they tell us?
Well, they can tell you what products are selling best,
Oh, that's helpful.
what designs are popular,
Uh-huh.
where people are coming from. Are they coming from social media? Are they coming from ads?
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, so you can focus your efforts.
On what's working.
Exactly.
So it's like having a little AI data scientist on our team.
It is.
It is awesome.
Yeah,
So we've gone through all 6 steps.
we have.
But let's be real.
Okay.
This print-on-demand business, it's not always easy.
Right. There are definitely challenges.
What are some of the things we might run into?
I would say competition is a big one.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. There's a lot of people doing this.
Right. It's relatively easy to get started,
Uh-huh.
which means there's a lot of people out there.
Yeah, vying for those same customers.
Yeah, so how do we stand out from the crowd?
Well, you gotta find a way to be unique.
Okay.
Maybe it's your designs.
Okay.
Maybe it's amazing customer service.
Uh-huh.
Maybe it's really clever marketing.
It's a jungle out there.
This is a jungle.
You got to fight our way through.
You gotta find a way to stand out.
Stand out.
Yeah.
Okay, so what else is tricky?
Managing your profit margins can be tough
Okay.
because you're not buying in bulk.
Right.
Your cost per item is going to be a bit higher.
Okay.
So you got to be really strategic with your pricing.
Yeah, you don't want to price yourself out of the market,
Right.
but you also want to make money.
Exactly. It's a balancing act.
A balancing act.
I remember, Rome wasn't built in a day.
It wasn't.
Building a successful business takes time.
Yeah, nobody gets rich overnight.
It takes patience and persistence
Uh-huh.
and a willingness to learn.
Yeah, like this is a marathon, not a sprint.
Exactly.
But it's worth it.
Oh, yeah. The rewards are incredible.
What are some of the rewards?
Well, you can build a global brand.
That's awesome.
You can create products that people actually love.
That's so cool.
And you can work from anywhere.
Okay, that's the dream.
It is a pretty great dream.
So we talked about the challenges, but there are also a lot of great things about print on demand.
Oh, yeah. Tons of opportunities.
So like what makes this so appealing?
Well, for one thing, you don't need a lot of money to get started.
Oh, low barrier to entry.
Exactly. You don't have
Yeah.
to worry about having a warehouse full of stuff.
Yeah, no inventory demand.
No inventory.
That's awesome.
No shipping logistics to figure out.
Okay, so it's pretty low risk.
Very low risk.
You can just try out your ideas.
Yeah, exactly.
And you can be so creative.
Oh, yeah, the sky's the limit.
Like you can design whatever you want, put it on all kinds of different products.
T-shirts, mugs, tote bags, you name it.
And if one thing doesn't work, you can just try something else.
Exactly. You can experiment.
Until you find that winning combo.
That's the beauty of it.
And with AI, you can really scale it up. Reach a global audience.
Without spending a fortune.
I'm loving this. It's like creativity meets technology meets entrepreneurship.
It's the perfect storm.
It really is. And it's not just about the money either.
No, it's about building something you're proud of.
Yeah, creating something people actually like.
Making a difference.
I love that. So if somebody's listening to this and thinking, okay, I want to try this out.
Yeah.
What advice would you give them?
I would say do your research.
Yeah.
Learn all about how print-on-demand works.
Uh-huh.
Play around with those AI design tools we talked about.
Okay.
And most importantly, figure out your niche.
Find your people.
Find your people, yeah. What are you passionate about?
What are you good at?
Exactly. What problems can you solve for other people?
And don't be afraid to try stuff out
Yeah, experiment, see what sticks.
and listen to your customers.
Absolutely, they'll tell you what they want.
So true. So true. Well, this has been an awesome deep dive into the world of print on demand and AI.
It has been fun.
I am ready to get out there and start making some stuff.
Me too. The possibilities are endless.
Don't forget to subscribe to AI Moneymakers for more deep dives like this one. And if you're ready to start your print on demand journey, check out the Printify link in the show description.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep innovating and keep creating the journal.